Hi everyone, this is Cassie from Crafter Effects again. I just wanted to follow up to a question that I had on Facebook about how to add shadows, like the word, like in the word crafter that you see here on my main picture. This shadowing is a little different than standard shadowing in PowerPoint because most of the time it's got a soft blur to it. This one actually has a hard line to it. It makes it a good transition into using for cutting vinyl and that sort of thing. So let me show you real quickly how to do that. It's actually pretty easy. Here we have a new PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to clear my screen here just to get something fresh started. I'm going to go to Insert. If you're here on the home screen already, go to the Insert tab, click Text Box, and we'll just pop one on there. So I'll just put the word hello in here, and we'll change the font around a little bit to make it a little more interesting, and make it a little larger so you can see it a little bit better. And we'll go ahead and change the color too, just so you can see the contrast between the shadow and the picture itself. Actually, I'm going to make that a little bit larger since it's kind of small. So to add shadowing, all you have to do is go to Format under the Drawing Tools section, go over to the Text Editing section under Text Effects, Shadow, and you've got all kinds of standard default options here, but what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way to the bottom to the shadow options. It gives you a little more control. Click there. That brings up a dialog box on the right hand side that you can do. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and select a preset first. Let's say you want the shadow to be down and to the left. If you noticed on the image here, it creates a hazy blurred effect. To get that to be a sharp hard edge, the only thing you have to do is grab the transparency slider and pull it all the way till it's 0%. Then the blur, grab it and pull it till it's at 0 points. Now you notice there's a little bit of a shadow here. The way we can make that a little larger, if you want it a little more emphasized, and to increase the distance a little and the size a little. Let's try the distance a little closer. Let in a little bit. So that's probably about as good as you're going to get on a really skinny font. It's not perfect, but it does create a gap. Let's try a different font just to see what it might look like with something a little more substantial. Let's find a good one here. Alright, here's one. That one's a little more fun. And I'll make that a little bit larger so you can see it. But basically, that's all you have to do to get your hard line on a font. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you want to save this image to use in your design space, I think I showed this in my previous video, but I'll show you again. Just right-click, do Save As Picture, name it whatever you want, and make sure that you select PNG file type and hit Save. From here, you should be able to go to your design space and upload the image through the Upload Image section, and just pull that from the browse when it looks at your computer to see what files you want to upload. And that's it. Hope that helped. Thanks.
Mommy.